This person now takes a 1 year ka break, goes to an institute for deaf and dumb. वहाँ से वो forensics सीख के आते हैं.
But when he did that thing, it was done already.
तो इसमें भी तो contradiction है ना.
ये तो post facto है.
हाँ, तो ये contradiction ये है कि वो पहले बोलते कि during cross examination with the lawyers for the defense lawyers, पहले he says हाँ मैंने 2009 में I started analyzing, right? Then he says no, I never started analyzing in 2009, I only started in 2011. Why he said that is because
He has done that course.
2010 में करके आया ना वो. And 2010 में उन्होंने कहाँ से किया है ये तो देखो. He went to an All India Institute of Hearing for Deaf and Dumb, which comes under Ministry of, if I am not wrong, it is under Health. And it's an institute for scientific research for deaf and dumb people. वहाँ से he is learning forensics. And when he was asked to explain कि वहाँ से आपके please certification, so you can actually question their credentials, ठीक है? In a court you can do that. तो because section 45 says so, right? तो he says मैं तो वहाँ से cross examination कैसे करते हैं, I've learned how to do audio video forensics also. How is a institution under a different ministry altogether, which has got everything to do with only health, an institute of deaf people teaching you forensics? Maybe they were teaching you forensics. Fine, I will accept it with a pinch of salt. But how did that give you the authority to become an expert? ऐसे तो फिर every Tom, Dick and Harry is an expert of everything.
Veterinarians college also he could have got to.
Yeah. And that way
And such a big case.
And such a big case. So imagine the lapses which have started from day one for such a big. So either that this case is not that big.
No,
Either it is not that big. It is just being made to look like it is such a big case.
it's an RDX supposedly used, and it's a blast. People have died.
Where people
There's
are
an
not
army
scared
officer.
also. And 15,000 people have
15,000.
come,
Yeah.
not scared of another blast at
It's
all.
a huge case. So let's not even think that it's not a huge case. And a
I
serving
know.
army officer involved.
just
in it.
one,
Two.
two.
Yeah, two of them. A major and a colonel.
And जो beat कर रहे हैं, जो hostile हुए हैं, उसमें भी witnesses में भी we have Fauji people.
Huh.
So it's not like just, one army. We have an institution.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.